What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying my videos. Today we're coming back in a beautiful video. Here you see the table behind me. We are going to talk about split ends, damaged hair, what's going on, what's happening, why the hair is drying out, why it's splitting. All these issues, we're gonna discuss them in this video. So let's go and start the video step by step. So the first thing we have here on our table, you see excessive heat, a lot blowout and curling iron. So the problem is the first issue happening to your hair, it's drying out and you have a split ends because you are using so much heat and like blow out and you're doing curling iron or flat iron. So all this heat, you use them so much. So what I mean, like when you do blowout every day or use curling iron every day on your hair or flat iron, definitely this is gonna damage your hair. It doesn't matter how healthy it is, it's gonna damage your hair. So what we do in this situation, we use heat only when it's necessary and use heat protection spray. So it's very important guys, only to style your hair when it's like a ceremony, you're going out for wedding, nice dinner, like going for something, you know, like partying out, you know, with your friends, you want to look great, so you're doing heat, it's fine. And very important to use heat protection. Heat protection always necessary before any blowout or curling iron or flat iron on your hair because it's gonna protect hair from damage. So this was our first point for today. I'm going to talk about 4 different points today. There is too many, but this is the most important points in my opinion for today, so that's why I'm doing this video about them. So let's go for point number 2. Point number 2, too much chemical like hair color and bleach. Yes, if you are coloring your hair every month, if you're doing highlight and balayage every month, you know, all the time, you're bleaching your hair, you are coloring your hair every month, definitely your hair is gonna dry out and it's gonna split and you're gonna have a split end and you're gonna have very damaged dry hair. So please, like, just be thoughtful of this hair because this hair has a soul in it like any part of your body, okay? And when you abuse it, it's gonna turn really bad. So what is the solution for this situation? Stay away from chemical as possible, especially lease. So lease is French word, so I will explain it. As I said, so stay away from colors as much as possible. Like if you have a gray hair and you wanna do root touch up, I understand. But if your hair is naturally beautiful and you don't have any gray, any problem like this, okay, just I'm giving you an example, and you want to color your hair once in a while, just a new look, fine. But if you want to do it every month, every other month, I mean, this is too much for your hair to handle, okay? And definitely I want to mention bleaching. When you lift the hair, when you do highlight balayage, this is going to ruin your hair. It doesn't matter how much treatment we put in it. When you're lifting the hair, you take the pigment out, the natural pigment out, you're gonna lose the shine, and definitely you're gonna have a split and you're gonna have damaged dry hair. And here, especially lease when you know, when we straight out the hair, let's say you have a natural curl, this is how your hair is, it's curly hair. And we go to the salon and we ask to make our hair straight for 6 months. And French language we say lease make the hair straight. This is the technique we do. So straightening the hair, this is absolutely the worst thing you can do to your hair. It changes the entire bond of your hair. So your hair is curly, but you make it straight. So believe me, this is very bad to your hair. So do not do this. If you want to do it, up to you. I'm telling you, this is very bad for your hair, so you don't want to do it. Let's go to point number 3. So point number 3, washing the hair a lot will dry your hair and cause split ends. Yes, if you have a long hair, especially girls, if you have a long hair and you wash your hair every single day, this is not gonna be good for your hair. So you need to wash your hair less. If you do it 3 times a week, is better. If you do it twice a week, even better. So washing every single day, this is not good idea for your hair. So what is the solution? Wash your hair less and don't put your hair in a bun when it's wet. So here, very important. Wash it less, as I said, is better. Do not put your hair in a bun. When you put it in a bun, when it's wet, it's very bad for your hair. It's gonna cause you headache. It's gonna make your hair split. You're gonna get those split ends, okay? Very bad idea to put your hair in a bun when it's wet. Do not do that. So here, if you notice, biotin and folic acid, I mentioned them here because I don't want to forget about them. There's another thing to make your hair better if you have a weak hair. The biotin and folic acid, you can take them as a pill. You can buy them from the pharmacy and take them as a pill once a day, and they will tell you how to use them. But you can buy them from the pharmacy, and believe me, it will make your hair very strong and amazing on the long run. So use them properly. It's gonna help so much to get healthier hair. So no bun, biotin, folic acid definitely will help and wash less. So let's go to point number 4. Point number 4, you are not taking care of your hair enough, like cut, moisturizing. So yes, when I'm in a salon, sometimes I ask my clients, when the last time did you cut your hair or you trimmed it? A year ago. Oh, I didn't go to the salon a year and a half. Oh. So this is bad news, okay? It has to be cut in a shorter period of time, not a 1 year, okay? So if you are waiting for 1 year, guess what? You're not gonna have good ends. So, and moisturizing. Moisturizing is when you don't moisturize your hair, you put enough moisture in it. Remember, when you wash your hair a lot and we dry it, wash it and dry it day after day, the hair it dry out. So very important to keep the shine in it and keep the nice softness in it. We have to keep the moisture in it. So how we do that? Trim your hair every 3 months, not 1 year, not 6 months, not 8 months, and keep it moisturized like mask treatments. So yes, very important. As I said, every 3-4 months, something like this, you need a trim, very little trim. So you tell the stylist, I want it a little trim, not like this. So especially if your hair doesn't grow that much, like a little trim, not that much trim, because I know some people say, oh, I went to my stylist and I said, I want a trim, and she cut that much. Yes, so be more specific and watch her when she's cutting. Just like, she want to cut like that much, she said, no, just a little bit. So little trim, and then moisturizer mask. There is too many masks out on the market. You can get many masks. If you don't want to buy a mask, maybe you can do something home, like from ingredients you have. You can do the eggs mask. You can just bring 1 egg or 2, it depends on the length of your hair. Put them, mix them together, put them on your hair for like half hour or 1 hour, something like this, and then go and wash it. Believe me, it gives amazing results on your hair. If you don't want to do this because you don't like the egg smell, just go and buy a different mask. There is too many masks out there. I don't want to name any one because I'm not marketing here, so buy what you feel comfortable with. Always moisture your hair to keep the softness and the shyness in it. So this was our video for today, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed all the information I gave you today in this video. If you do, subscribe, give me the like. I love me, and I see you in a new video, a new idea. As always, ciao for now, and I'll see you soon.